Believe it or not, the real reason behind your high blood pressure might be something you never expected, and I'm going to show you how to tackle it head on. High blood pressure is a critical health issue that affects millions of people worldwide. It's a silent killer that can creep up on you without any warning signs, and if left untreated, it can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, stroke, and even kidney failure. The scary part is that many people don't even know they have high blood pressure until it's too late. One of the biggest misconceptions surrounding high blood pressure is that it's just a problem for older adults. But the truth is, it can affect anyone, regardless of age. Another myth is that high blood pressure is just a minor issue that can be ignored. But the reality is, it's a serious condition that requires immediate attention. Many people also believe that high blood pressure is just a matter of genetics, but that's not entirely true. Lifestyle factors and diet play a huge role in developing high blood pressure. And let's not forget about the lack of awareness. Many people don't even know they have high blood pressure until they get their blood pressure checked. So, what causes high blood pressure? For starters, a diet high in sodium and low in potassium can lead to high blood pressure. Lifestyle factors like lack of exercise, stress, and poor sleep habits can also contribute to the problem. But there are also some lesser-known risk factors such as certain medical conditions, certain medications, and even some foods that can increase your risk. For example, did you know that consuming too much caffeine can raise your blood pressure? Or that certain types of food like processed meats can increase your risk of developing high blood pressure? The surprising secret to managing or lowering your blood pressure is to focus on your gut health. Research has shown that there's a strong link between gut health and blood pressure. An imbalance of gut bacteria, also known as dysbiosis, can lead to inflammation, which can increase your blood pressure. But the good news is that you can take steps to improve your gut health, such as eating fermented foods, taking probiotics, and drinking plenty of water. To sum it up, high blood pressure is a serious health issue that requires awareness and proactive measures. By understanding the causes and risk factors, you can take steps to manage or lower your blood pressure. Don't wait until it's too late. Take control of your health today. If you've had any experiences with high blood pressure, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and be sure to check out my related videos and subscribe for more health tips and tricks.